The third assignment in this sequence, we're going to do another 10 minutes. Now, this time, we're really starting to try and make this more about your coordination between the movement of your eyes and the movement of your hand, but we're still involving the finger as a laser pointer. So I would actually scooch this thing a little bit further away from me. There we go. Now I'm going to point at it. I'm not actually going to touch it. I'm going to point at it, and then I'm going to still move my finger around my visual of it. Remember, on the flat screen of my vision, thinking about this flat screen idea, I'm not going to be able to go around the back of it anymore. But say there's a window here, and I'm moving my finger around on the window. And this is much more like your hand-eye coordination videos. Okay, I'm moving my finger around on that flat screen of my window, and I'm getting this hand to follow this finger, just like in the hand-eye coordination videos. And I'm thinking more about my eyes moving over the thing and my hand following my eyes. Now that we've taken the finger off of the thing, you're going to be even more prone to edge detect because your visual system's taking over more. So it's trying to figure out what is the thing. I'm looking at a skull. That doesn't matter. I should still be trying to move my finger across areas like this as well on the screen, like that I would be doing. I know you can't see what I'm drawing. It looks about the same like the other ones. Like the other ones, it's one continuous motion, the fingers moving together. Something else that you'll need to think about is you're probably going to have to squint one of your eyes. I'm going to be rude and point at you right now. So what I would suggest is figuring out which is your dominant eye. The best way to do that, like I'm going to go ahead and get my finger pointing right at you with both my eyes open, so it looks like my fingers right in the middle of the camera. I would find something like a clock or just some object you can point at and get your finger to be like it's right in the middle of the object with both eyes open. Now close your right eye, and then open your right eye and close your left eye. And you'll see one of those two options, the finger looks like it moves. Like when I close my left eye, all of a sudden it looks like my finger's over here. When I close my right eye, it still looks like it's right in the middle of the camera. Whichever one stays right in the middle is your dominant eye. So if I was going to draw this, I would wink my right eye and then stare at this thing, and I'd be using, looks a little creepy, but here's the window, and I'm tracing my finger across that window, and then the pen is following that. So 10 minutes of that.